Hello, Sarah here from smallbusinesssarah.com, and today I have a solution for Etsy sellers. What I was noticing is that for newish or smallish Etsy sellers who wanted to make sure they were doing a good job with their shop finances, tracking their income and expenses, making sure they're doing some sort of bookkeeping throughout the year. A lot of those newish sellers or smallish sellers were spending money on QuickBooks Online Simple Start for their bookkeeping needs. Now, I highly recommend QuickBooks Online Simple Start and their new Sync with Etsy integration. I highly recommend it. But sometimes it's a bit too much for the smaller Etsy seller, a bit too much complication than is really needed at the beginning, and a bit too much money, to be perfectly honest, for the newish Etsy seller or the smallish Etsy seller. So I set out to create a solution for those Etsy sellers, a way that they could do a great job tracking their business finances and really understand how their shop was doing without expense or hassle, something easy. So what I have created is, of course, a spreadsheet product, but I think that my spreadsheet product is pretty great. It's really easy to use. It's going to be really fast. It's going to be really accurate, and you are going to be ready come tax time. Not only that, you are going to be able to see throughout the month, throughout the year, how your shop is doing so that you can make better decisions for your business. And this is, of course, a low cost option. So this product, this spreadsheet, it's ideal for the newish Etsy seller or the smallish Etsy seller. For the seller who has a low financial transaction volume each month. Now, what do I mean by that? I don't mean low number of Etsy sales. With this spreadsheet solution, you can have as many Etsy sales as you want, and it's still going to be a great, easy, fast solution for you because of the way that we are doing the Etsy figures in the spreadsheet. What I do mean is that if you have a lot of expenses outside of Etsy, a lot of raw materials purchases, office supplies, trips to the post office, if that transaction volume is large, so I'd say like over 50 transactions a month in outside expenses, then this may not be the ideal product for you. In this case, you may want to go ahead and take that leap to a QuickBooks Online Simple Start type program. And I have instructional videos on how to use that and how to link that to your Etsy shop through Sync with Etsy. Descriptions and videos and all of that will be in the description and up in the card. But if your transaction volume is low, you're not buying a lot of products during the month, don't have a lot of expenses outside of Etsy, this is going to be ideal for you. It is going to help you to be careful about your expenses. You're going to be tracking everything. And because this is a low budget option, you're not going to be spending a lot of money on high level product that you don't need. And you're not going to have to put in the time right now to invest in learning a more complicated program like QuickBooks Online Simple Start. So, newish seller, smallish seller, low expense transaction volume, this is perfect for you. Your sales volume and Etsy expenses, that can be as high as you want, and this still is going to be a great solution for you. So what it is, like I keep teasing, it's a very easy to use spreadsheet that will be fast for you. It will be accurate. And it does come with an instructional video. So you will know exactly how to use your spreadsheet and input the data each month. And you'll know exactly then how to read your financial statements that it produces. You're going to input your expenses on a monthly basis, and you're going to input information directly from Etsy. And what that's going to do is the spreadsheet is going to generate a monthly profit and loss report for you. So income minus expenses gives you your net income or loss, your profit. And it's also going to tabulate that for the entire year. So you are going to know month to month, how is my business doing? And at the end of the year, you're going to know exactly how your business did for the year. And you're going to have those numbers ready come tax time. So why do even smaller sellers need something like this? Well, first of all, understanding how your business is doing throughout the year or the month is extremely important. You can make decisions for your business that increase your profitability. A product like this, a spreadsheet, is going to help you identify, wow, I really spent a lot of advertising. It's not getting me very far. Or, whoa, I didn't realize that my raw materials were costing me so much. Let me look for a lower cost supplier. Things like that. You can gain insights and information about your business throughout the month, and then that allows you to make changes and increase your profitability, which is what we all want. Even the smallest seller wants to increase their profitability. And I am all about every business owner really knowing and understanding their business finances. It makes such a huge difference. And of course, you're not going to have any stress at tax time because your finances that you need to file your taxes are going to be done, whether you are doing the taxes yourself or you're giving the information to a tax preparer. It is going to be ready. Another point to mention why this spreadsheet is going to be so helpful. A lot of new Etsy sellers think that they can just take their Etsy deposits into their checking account, and that's their sales figure from Etsy. That's not actually the case. That deposit is less a whole bunch of fees. And this spreadsheet is going to help break out the sales and the fees portion from those deposits so that you get a more accurate idea of how your shop is doing. What are your true sales and what are your true fees from Etsy? And also, you need that breakout for taxes. If you try to just do your taxes with the deposits that you received from Etsy, you're not going to tie to the 1099 at all. Won't even be close. Don't even try it. So this is going to help you be ready for that. So if this is something that is of interest to you, you can find it in my Etsy shop, smallbusinesssarah.etsy.com, and you'll find it easily. Right now, this spreadsheet product is in Google Sheets, and I'm considering making it in other formats as well, Excel, possibly numbers. So if that's something you would be interested in, please leave a comment below so that I have an idea of how many people are interested in this spreadsheet product in other formats. Also, if you sell on a different shop platform, Shopify or Amazon, let me know if this is something you would be interested in. It's certainly a product that I could make for you as well, so just let me know. As always, if this video or the other videos that I have shared with you on my channel have been helpful to you at all as you navigate the finances of running your small business, then I would really appreciate your like, your subscribe, or your super thanks. It really gives me the motivation to keep on going and producing great videos and great resources for you as you run your various e-commerce shops. Thanks so much and have a great day.